There is no simple or definitive answer to how to be rich and successful in this year, as different people may have different definitions and measures of wealth and success. Being rich means something different to every individual. However, some general principles that may help you achieve your financial and personal goals are: have a clear vision of what you want to achieve and why. Write down your specific and realistic goals and break them down into smaller and actionable steps. Review your progress regularly and adjust your plan as needed. Something many self-made wealthy people have in common is that they are valuable in specific ways. Even when millionaires and billionaires are taken out of the equation, many rich people, engineers, doctors, filmmakers, have gotten rich after adding value to themselves and then adding value to the world. For example, a rich software engineer may be especially talented and skilled. This software engineer added value to the world after improving their own skills and quality of life. Invest in yourself and your education. Learn new skills, acquire new knowledge, and expand your network. Seek opportunities to grow your career or business and leverage your strengths and passion. This means you have to constantly gain knowledge. You cannot let major events or trends slide because in each of them there is a threat or opportunity for you. The concept of saving money is not a new one. It is extremely easy to dip into your savings. Manage your money wisely and responsibly. Spend less than you earn. Save and invest the difference. And avoid unnecessary debt. Create a budget and track your expenses. And use tools and apps to help you automate your savings and investments. A different way of looking at your savings is to view them as taxes. Once you pay your taxes, you never get the whole amount back. Treat your savings the same way. Set money aside in a savings account or transfer it to a totally separate account where you cannot touch it. Take calculated risks and embrace challenges. Don't be afraid to try new things. Experiment and fail. Learn from your mistakes and failures and use them as feedback and motivation. In order to make money, you have to take a chance that venture or idea you have will pan out. Seek advice and mentorship from successful people and model their habits and strategies. It is important to choose your investments wisely. There are plenty of places for you to sink your money into, but figuring out which one of these will result in you profiting is difficult. Real estate is sometimes a good investment, but it is expensive. Investing in the stock market does not have to be expensive, but it can be risky. There is probably some chance and luck involved, but most rich people became rich through meticulous planning and discipline. Be persistent and consistent. Success and wealth are not achieved overnight, but through hard work, discipline, and dedication. Don't give up on your dreams and keep working towards them every day. Celebrate your achievements and reward yourself, but also keep raising your standards and expectations. The benefit of giving to charity is that people perceive you as a better person. When you giving to causes they are likely to trust you more. When they see that you are not intent on hoarding the money they give you, and that doing so will benefit their community in turn. In the long run, patience can be extremely rewarding. This does not mean that you should get complacent or wait things out instead of taking risks. Success can take some time, and getting frustrated is detrimental to your efforts. Regardless of where you feel you fall on the spectrum, these steps can help you achieve the level of wealth you want. before you get started, though, so your bank account is ready to expand. I hope this helps you get started on your journey to becoming rich and successful in this year. Thanks for watching. Press bell icon, subscribe channel, like video, share video with friends.